Over here.
Yeah, that's why I'm moving over here.
Don't eat it over here anymore.
And they're done.
Look at this.
I thought we already did this one.
Yeah, but we had multiple boxes. Oh,
You have to aim up real high to get them.
Are you sure? Oh. Ow, my eye. Ugh. We should go away.
I laid down. I'm sure. Here's the moon. It's a cheese moon, but my phone kind of sucks at moons, so it looks like the sun,
Hey.
and it's very bright. Hey, Xavier, look at my phone.
Hey, look at mine. Oh yeah, my thing
There
is
you
already.
go.
Oh, wait. That's pretty cool.
Is it done?
I'm gonna turn my
The
phone.
camera
Hey, look up.
or lay down.
We'll lay down. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I found a new way to video.
Actually, I found the way, and I told you, so I could have just not told you.
What about laying
Was that
down?
I'm gonna show I'm gonna zoom in on a star because we usually don't get. Look at my screen. It's so.
Dark? Yeah.
No, look at it.
Oh,
It's so like.
look at mine.
Well, I zoomed in all the way, and it looked
Ugh, my.
very. It was very.
Man, I'm gonna upload this like 10-minute video to YouTube. I create a short
Yeah.
about one that's 26.
What is that?
What?
Fireworks.
Yeah, firework. Oh yeah, firework. That is a firework. Back up.
Back up.
It's a bomb. That's what it is.
It's a bomb. You gotta back up, guys. Back up.
What?
I wonder what happens here.
Cause baby, you're fire. Whoa! That's not what I was expecting.
Wow, I'm gonna zoom into it. That's odd. Guys, it's a firework.
See where the smoke's blowing?
I'm recording. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, 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 hi. Wow.
Lay down.
Look up.
Ow. I just laid on a rock.
No. Oh, I'm missing all of them.
I'm not. I'm recording right now.
I'm also recording. It's just I was looking too far up. Why is that little speckle? Why is this a circle?
Pretty strange how the wind's whipping from time to time. All right, 4 foot above you.
I see. I'm recording at 3 times the size. Yep, that's way too dark.
That's scary.
Are you sure?
That was so scary.
That was us.
That was so super duper scary.
Are you
Look
ready?
at us smoke.
When are we gonna
Not
be-
smoke. Smoke.
When are we gonna?
Plans tomorrow morning.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And you'll be probably staying Friday night.
Why?
That's true.
Oh. I love this way to record. I'm gonna have a 2-minute video about these finale. Hey, where's the thing? Oh, there's the thing. Ugh. It smells.
Wait, what? What?
Then we're coming down to the end of it.
Almost a grand finale. What are we doing?
How's it going to you?
Rebellion.
What does it do?
It rebels.
What does rebellion mean? What does rebellion mean?
Rebel. Rebellion means go against something.
It's an outlaw.
Hey. Don't know what that means.
Outlaw? I don't know. Oh wait, no, my recording ended. Ah. So my recording ended for some reason, so now I'm back. Cool. Well, next time it should say that my recording's gonna end in like 15 minutes. Oh wow, look.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna go close. Maybe it's gonna snow.
That was now.
Finale is still like that. You think where it is, we've been said is about far enough or further out? Yeah, I think that's about 25. We should shoot them pretty well.
Well, the wind's kind of blowing this way, so that should be okay.
We're about to do the finale.
Oh, cool. So I guess I should end my recording, huh?
We're about to do
It'll
the
be
finale.
set up about where that's at, he said.
So I'm gonna back up way back here.
Let's just set up like all the way out there.
I'll just be recording.
Go on out the door.
That's up to you guys. I
Yeah,
guess.
I'm gonna go on here.
Oh, you can go out over there.
I want you to come in.
Well, we'll see.
Don't have a chance at loading. How long does this last for?
Oh, for a minute. It'll be 25 shots. I just gotta figure out how to light it, where the wick is at. Yep.
Won't it be at the top? There's a little more light.
It'll be somewhere.
Probably someone at the top.
You can, oh no, I think so. Yeah. Even when there's no fire, that's recording.
I'm ready for the finale.
What?
Okay. He's just
Hey.
talking about. You can wait for the finale without recording.
Fine. You can have it.
Well, I want to make sure my phone thing doesn't go off of camera
Oh, shut up.
because it was, oh gosh, it was off too long. Yeah.
Well, it's the big finale.
It's the finale, guys. Yay! I'm going to zoom all the way out.